Wondering how to catapult your business into a realm of unprecedented efficiency and productivity? The answer lies in harnessing the power of Kraaken's business connectors, a game changer in the sphere of business integration. Imagine a world where all your business systems communicate seamlessly, where processes are optimized, and your focus is exactly where it should be, on leading your business to newer heights. That's exactly what Kraaken's business connectors offer. Scene script. So, what's the secret sauce? Firstly, it's the power of flexible integration. No matter the size or complexity of your business, our connectors mold to your needs. They integrate effortlessly with your existing systems, be it ERP, CRM, or warehouse management. The result? Integration becomes a breeze, freeing up your time and mind space for your core business. Then, there's the magic of real-time data exchange. Kraaken's connectors enable instant data exchange with your business partners, suppliers, customers, and more. This streamlines your operations, accelerating processes from order handling to invoicing, and everything in between. Say goodbye to delays and hello to efficiency. Next, we bring you the advantage of automating business processes. Kraaken's business connectors take over recurring tasks, saving you precious time and resources. From order processing to invoicing and warehouse management, automation takes the lead, allowing you to channel your energy towards business growth. Finally, we prioritize security and reliability for your data. With Kraaken's connectors, you can be confident that your sensitive business data remains secure. Our systems provide a fortified environment for data exchange, freeing you from worries about data breaches. So are you ready to embrace the future of business integration? Dive into the world of Kraaken's business connectors and discover how they can propel your business forward. Reach out to us today. Learn more about our integration solutions and unravel the ways in which Kraaken can help you optimize your business processes. Join us in leading your company to a prosperous future.